welcome to the beginning of your healing journey. This guided session will help you to reconnect and activate your body's own self-healing mechanisms by boosting your immune system and unlocking the healing powers of your mind. Health is our natural state, a state of balance and harmony between body, mind, and soul. When this balance is lost, we become unhealthy and our immune system gets weak, making us vulnerable to different illnesses. Remember, all healing is self-healing, and the mind plays a crucial role in keeping the body and soul in harmony. For this session, we will work with deep relaxation, strengthening our immune system and giving an opportunity for the body to heal itself. We will also use visualizations to work with our minds and affirmations that speak to the essence and truth of who we are. Balancing out the body, mind, and soul in this way is the most powerful way to free yourself from any illness and achieve perfect health. Let's begin by finding a relatively quiet place. Make sure that you are warm and that the general temperature of the room is pleasant. For this session, you can lie down on your back or sit on a comfortable chair with your back against the backrest. Now, I want you to close your eyes and set an intention. It might just be to improve your general health, or to get cured from a particular disease. Or even to be able to drop certain bad habits that are detrimental to your health. Follow your intuition and go for the first thing that comes to your mind. And as soon as you have your intention clear, just drop it completely. Let it go. Take a moment now to simply feel your body. Feel its weight, its temperature, feel any tension or any discomfort. And now, taking a deep breath in, invite your body to feel nourished and vital, and breathing out, let go of any tension or discomfort. Breathe in and breathe out, relaxing every muscle of your body. And once more, breathe in and breathe out. Feel how your body becomes more and more relaxed with each and every breath. Now visualize yourself in a quiet and beautiful place in nature. It could be on top of a mountain, on a quiet beach, or perhaps a forest. Feel the fresh air and the sounds of the birds or the sea. The temperature is perfect, and everything around you feels in perfect harmony. Now visualize a green light glowing above you. This light is the healing and balancing power of nature. You can sense its healing power and a profound sense of harmony radiating from it. Allow it to come to you. Feel its warmth and freshness. Receive this light from the top of your head as it comes down to you, balancing, relaxing, and restoring every cell of your body. Feel it passing through every fiber of your being, from the top of your head to your face, to your neck, every part of your body relaxes further as this light passes through. Your shoulders, arms, feeling nourished and relaxed. Your torso, this light intuitively repairs and balances everything on its way. Down to your legs, your feet, your whole body glowing in harmony. Feel this deep inner sense of health and natural beauty. And as you listen to these words, let them manifest and resonate from within. Recognize in these phrases the voice of your own soul, your own truth. I am healthy. Health is my natural state. I am healed, and every fiber of my body is in perfect balance. I choose to live a lifestyle that supports and enhances my health. I am clean, pure, and perfect. I have the power of healing. I vibrate at the highest frequencies. Love is health. I love myself. I love my body. I'm grateful for who I am. I use my health to help others. I use my strength to create a better world. My body, mind, and soul are in perfect balance and harmony. Take a few moments and let these words reverberate from within you. When you feel ready, take a few deep breaths again. And slowly start to make gentle movements with your body. Open your eyes and smile.